Okay, here we are at the Wyndham Cozumel Hotel room tour. Here's the bathroom area. Nothing too fancy, but it'll do. Bedroom. And we're on the ground floor, so we get to hear all of the swimming pool noise. Got a little seating area here, fridge, TV,
Did you get the
sky, safe, closet. I'm sorry. What were you want? What detail were you want me to show?
The hammock.
The indoor hammock. It's kind of interesting.
Join us as we review the Cozumel Hotel and Resort, a family-friendly, all-inclusive property operating under the trademark collection by Wyndham. An airport shuttle to the hotel should cost you around $30 to $50 for two people, depending on if you share a ride or how much negotiating you do at the airport. The lobby area is open and spacious, with a bar and a restaurant just past the main entry.
And there's a restaurant.
However, this restaurant was closed for the 4 days we spent at the hotel. Across the main street in front of the hotel is another option for eating though, which is included in the all-inclusive stay package. And there's a handy tunnel to make your way over to the buffet if you prefer not to walk across the street.
Yeah, so the tunnel does make things a little easier as far as crossing the road.
This restaurant is typically open for breakfast and lunch, with the lobby restaurant usually open for dinner. We never had to wait for a seat, but there could be a line for the buffet at times. Seating includes views of the beach with a nice open air breeze. The food was all very fresh and tasty, but don't expect as many options as you'd see at some of the adults-only style all-inclusive resorts like Secrets Aura or the Westin Cozumel. Also expect to pay more at those places. Although the lobby restaurant was closed during our stay, we were treated to a special dinner buffet hosted outside near the swimming pool one night along with some entertainment. A short run or a long walk of exactly 1 mile to the north along the main street will put you in the shopping district of Centro San Miguel. This area can get very busy with tourist traffic from the cruise ship docked nearby. We've always felt very safe walking around in this area. We watched the sun setting as we made our way back to the hotel. The next morning, we made some new friends just outside our room.
Hi, buddy.
Cozumel Hotel and Resort has the largest swimming pool on the island. Around the pool, you'll find a grill serving hamburgers and other lunch items, along with a bar where some adult beverages can be found. Gym access is also included. It's small but has everything you need to burn off all those extra buffet calories. There's a playground for kids, along with some other activities around the pool. A small shop is also located next to this area, along with a spa offering services like facials and massages for an extra fee. Across the street, just past the breakfast and lunch restaurant, is the private beach area.
Saltwater pool. Snorkeling area. Kind of sort of another pool over here.
Snuba, as well as some scuba diving activities, are also available for an extra cost, of course. Or you can just chill on a lounge chair near the all-inclusive beach bar.
This is where he hangs out. Poncho?
I don't want to get bit, Poncho.
Poncho's looking for food.
Very gentle. If you bring a piece of bread, very good.
Alright, think about that, Poncho.
Some nights the entertainment is on the beach.
Okay, so first impressions are that this is a little lower end than we're used to in Cozumel. The wall decor is sort of lacking. The television is a lot smaller than we're used to.
Yellow and green curtains.
But we do have some nice curtains. Show us, Vanna. So a couple of things not included in this all-inclusive. A soap dish at the main sink. Apparently hangers are also not included in this all-inclusive. And conditioner. Only shampoo is included. What you reading about? Is it in Spanish?